In this video, I'm going to show you why most struggling traders stay stuck and how MarketPro trading can help you build a more structured and professional trading approach. Starting to learn to trade is exciting. You find a new strategy, it looks incredible, you take a few trades, make some money, and then you start thinking, this is it, this is the one. Then some small losses come, then some bigger losses, and then you question the strategy. You change your rules altogether and move on to something else. And before long, you're right back to where you started, looking for a new strategy, another holy grail. If that sounds familiar? You're not alone. I lived inside that cycle for years until I discovered that consistent trading doesn't begin with finding another setup. It begins with building the right process and mastering one setup at a time. The one question that completely changed the way I approach trading, it wasn't how much can I make? It wasn't what stock is going to explode that day. And it wasn't what indicator is the highest winning ratio. The question was, did I execute my trade correctly? That simple shift took me from emotional inconsistent trading toward a much more structured and professional process. Today, I'm going to explain what that means and how you can begin doing the same thing. If you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, overwhelmed, or even ready to give up on trading, this is the right video for you. And trust me, I know exactly how that feels because I've been there myself. My name is Kevin Lloyd. I'm the founder of MarketPro Trading. Today, I'm going to share part of my personal trading journey with you, the highs, the lows, the expensive mistakes, and the turning point that finally helped me. Because if you're second guessing your decisions, jumping from strategy to strategy, watching your account move up and down without any clear direction, I want you to understand two things. First, you're not alone, and second, there's a better way to approach this. And here's the important part. This video isn't only about my story. It's about how you can avoid some of the mistakes that kept me stuck and start developing a repeatable process you can understand, measure, and improve. Everything I teach on this channel and through MarketPro Trading is based on practical trading principles. No magic indicators, no overnight success promises, and no pretending that trading is easy. Our mission is to help every trader access the type of tools, education, structure, and performance habits used by serious traders. Because you don't need more hype. You need a process you can follow, especially when the market becomes difficult and your emotions start getting involved. When I first started trading, I hunted to find that perfect strategy. You probably know the feeling. You see someone post a huge winning trade online, they make it look so easy, so you study their setup and try to copy it. If it doesn't immediately work, you assume the strategy is broken. Then you move on to another strategy or indicator, or the next hot stock everyone's talking about. That's exactly what I did for years, and the result was complete chaos. I chased stocks that had already made their moves. I overtraded when there wasn't a quality opportunity. I revenge traded after losses. And I took setups I didn't fully understand because I was afraid of missing out. Some days, a trade would work and I'd feel like a genius. That confidence would tempt me to increase my size and loosen my rules. Then I'd have a losing day, give back the profit, and sometimes even more. It felt like 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. Sound familiar? But here's the part most traders don't talk about. I was losing confidence in my own judgment, in my own abilities. Every losing trade made me question myself. Every missed opportunity made me feel as though I had done something wrong. And every winning trade made me wonder whether I was really improving or had I simply gotten lucky. The real problem was that I had no consistent way to answer those questions. I didn't have specific entry and exit criteria. I didn't have a reliable risk management framework. And I wasn't reviewing my trades in a way that produced useful feedback. Without those things, I couldn't separate a good trade that lost money from a bad trade that happened to make money. That distinction is incredibly important. You can follow your plan perfectly and still lose because no individual trade is guaranteed. Every trade has a 50% chance of going up, 50% chance of going down. You can also break every rule, get lucky, and make money. But when a bad decision gets rewarded, it can teach you a dangerous lesson. You may repeat that behavior with more size, and eventually the market can take that money back. Every time you make money on a bad trade, that's a loan from the market. And believe me, the market will take those loans back and you're going to pay them back with dividends. That's why judging your ability based on short-term profit and loss can be so misleading. Most struggling traders don't have an information problem, they have an implementation problem. They've watched hundreds of videos, they understand chart patterns, they know what VWAP is, they recognize support and resistance, and can probably name a dozen indicators. But they haven't organized that information into a repeatable operating system. Imagine opening any other business without knowing what product you sell, who your customer is, what your operating costs are, how much are you willing to risk, and how will you measure performance. That business would be operating on hope. Yet that's exactly how many people approach trading. They sit down each morning, open their scanners, and wait for something exciting to happen and pass them by. Then they react. But professional behavior is proactive, not reactive. You should know what qualifies as a setup, what would invalidate it, where your risk belongs, how you manage the position, and what conditions would tell you to stay out of the market completely. And yes, sometimes not trading is the best decision you can make. My biggest turning point came when I stopped chasing trades and started grading them. Instead of asking, will this trade make money? I started asking, does this opportunity fit in my playbook? Did I follow my entry criteria? Was my position size appropriate? Did I manage the trade and risk correctly? And did I follow my exit plan? That shift changed the entire focus. My job was no longer trying to predict what the market would do next. My job was to identify qualified opportunities, define my risk, execute my plan, and collect information I could learn from. I also stopped allowing one trade or one day to define whether I was successful. I began evaluating groups of trades over time. That gave me a much clearer picture of which setups worked for me, where I was making my mistakes, and which behaviors were costing me money. Then I built a repeatable routine. Before the opening bell, I identified stocks in play, important price levels, possible catalysts, and the scenarios I want to see. Before entering a trade, I check whether it matched one of my defined setups. And during the trade, I focus on execution and risk rather than reacting emotionally to every price tick. After my trades, I record what happened, review my decisions, and look for ways to improve. It wasn't glamorous, but it was repeatable. And repeatable is what gives you something you can measure, something to build on. What gets measured can be reviewed. What gets reviewed can be improved. And what gets improved can eventually become consistent. Today, my approach to trading is much more structured and controlled. Not because the market became easier, the market is always changing. Uncertainty will always exist, and losing trades are part of the business. What changed was the way I responded. I began treating trading like a business. Every trade needs a reason. Every position needs defined risk. Every setup needs criteria. And every result needs to be reviewed within the context of the process. I don't need to chase every stock that moves. I don't need to trade because I'm bored. And I don't need to win back a loss before the closing bell. My responsibility is to wait for my setups, execute according to my plan, protect my capital, and review my performance honestly. That doesn't eliminate losses. Nothing can do that. But it helps prevent one emotional decision from turning an ordinary loss into a damaging one. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is discipline, repetition, and continuous improvement. That's exactly why I created MarketPro Trading. I wanted to give traders the structure, education, mentorship, and community I wish I had when I started. At MarketPro Trading, we help you understand how to prepare before the market opens, identify and define your setups, create a real trading plan, manage your risk, journal your trades, and review your performance. More importantly, we help you connect those individual pieces into one complete process. Because knowing what a chart pattern looks like is not enough. You need to know when it's valid, what evidence supports the trade, where the idea is wrong, how much you should risk, and how you're going to manage the position after you enter. That's the difference between randomly taken trades and working from a real framework. Whether you're completely new or you've been trading for years without achieving the results you want, you don't have to figure out everything by yourself. But you do have to be willing to learn, practice, review your mistakes, and take responsibility for your trading and decisions. No course, mentor, or trading tool can guarantee you results. What the right education can do is give you a clearer path, help you avoid common mistakes, and provide a framework for deliberate improvement. So here's what I want you to do next. Before you take your next trade, write down 4 things. What's the setup? Where is the entry? Where is the trade invalidated? And how will you manage the exit? If you can clearly answer those questions before entering, that one exercise can immediately reveal whether you're following a process or simply reacting to price movement. If you're tired of second guessing yourself and ready to build a more structured approach, come visit me over at MarketPro Trading. This is where new and struggling traders come to learn, develop their skills, and work towards consistency in building a real professional trading process. Every week I share practical trading education that you can apply, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any free lessons. And remember, better trading doesn't begin with predicting every market move. It begins with making better decisions, following a defined process, and learning from the results. I'm Kevin Lloyd of MarketPro Trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.